Good morning, everyone. My name is Laurie, and I am from Fork to Spoon, and I want to go over how to make muffins in your air fryer. Now, this recipe will work whether you have a basket type air fryer, like so, or a oven style air fryer. The only difference is when you put if you have an oven style, you need to put the pan on the bottom so that they cook at the same time. Usually if you have a basket and a oven style, they actually will work exactly the same. The only difference is you need to know where to put your shelf. But all recipes work for the basket and the oven. There is no difference other than placement of the basket and maybe what size you can use. Usually if you have an oven, you can make more muffins at one time than if you have a basket style air fryer. But today I just used, very simple. It's a great way to get, if you have never made muffins in the air fryer, grab a box of Jiffy. It's rather inexpensive and it will really start with your baking. Then just mix it up and then you just put it in your pan. Now, you can find a pan on Amazon that will fit most of the basket air fryers. I use this one, which I'll show you. So let me go over it again though. Purchase your Jiffy blueberry muffin mix. Make it per the instructions, which is on the box. Oops, sorry, wrong side. There you go. And then you fill it in this. Now, I know a lot of you guys ask me about silicone liners. I don't particularly like them because I find that they actually start falling in the basket because as of the heat in the fan that spins around. So what I do is fill them up, and then all you do is put them in. Now, the key when you buy a pan for muffins or for anything else is that you want to make sure that there's enough room around it that the air can still flow. Now, you could use, as I told you, you could use a silicone muffin cups, but they will fall throughout the cooking process. So I find it best, and I've been recommending that you use metal, because I think it works better. And if you're gonna buy something, you might as well buy something that actually works. So then you just put it in, you set the time, air fry, temperature, 320, and then I like to do 8 minutes and then check on them. They usually need about 12 to 15 minutes, depending. And that's it. You will have a great and delicious muffin. I will be back later to show you my muffins.